foodies. So, as requested, I'm going to make a recipe from the cookbook that they've been sent for the pre-diabetic stuff. But of course, because it's me, I'm going to have to just mix it up a little bit. Yeah, let me turn you around and I'll show you what we're making. So we're going to be making these cheesy aubergines. I've taken a screenshot. There's also a barcode there that you can watch a video on how to make it. So when you see mine and it isn't as nice as theirs, you'll know why. So apparently this feeds 4 people, so you'd get 1 aubergine each. So seeing as it's just me, I'm going to have to be greedy and have 2 aubergines. Well, it's 1 aubergine, but 2 halves. So you'd have 1 half each, sorry. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees or 160 if it's fan assisted, and gas mark 4. 160 will be there. So you're going to score the aubergine. I've done 1 half. It doesn't say to add salt onto the aubergines, but it says drizzle with olive oil. But for anybody that works with aubergines knows that you need to salt them to get rid of the bitterness and so that it releases the juices. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on. It says 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I think their measurements are a little bit off. Olive oil's a good fat, but you can have as much of as anyway. So I'll just do it like that. I'll just put more on personally. I'm going to do another little bit. Because aubergines love the oil. It absorbs it, and there we go. Okay, so they're going to go into the oven for how long does it say? 25 to 35 minutes, or until tender. So you're going to need some coriander, some cumin, a glass of water, which was, I can't remember how much measurements, 230 millimeters of water. Obviously I'm doing a bit less, so I'm doing what I did last time and put half of measurements to the full recipe and half not. So that's just under 230, so that should be okay. Some fresh chopped parsley, small red onion and some garlic, can of chopped tomatoes, 100 grams of red split lentils. These have been washed and drained. 80 grams of cheese, grated cheese, but that's for the full recipe. So I've got about 50 there. And you can make it with like a cheese sauce, like what you'd make with cauliflower cheese, but I don't fancy doing that. So I'm going to add some cottage cheese to the normal cheese and mix it together, and that'll make it a little bit creamier, I think. I don't know, I'm experimenting. I'm going to fry off the onions and the garlic. And of course I forgot an ingredient, 1 carrot. till most of the water's gone, and then reduce the heat. Just remove about half of the aubergine. Add this to that. Shells. This. Mix it in. And this is the cream cheese that I did. So you've got normal cheese and what do you call it, cheese mixed in there. Back in the oven. So here we have it. It's fresh out of the oven. Let's mix the cottage cheese with the cheddar cheese. Just add some fresh parsley to the top. And it's ready to serve. So I'm just going to have one half of this because I'm not that hungry actually. And I'll save the other half for lunch tomorrow. I needed 2 hands, sorry. So there we have it. Done a little bit of a salad, some Greek yogurt and the aubergine. And the other one I'll have for lunch tomorrow. Give it a little try. That is lovely. Very nice. It's too hot to show you me putting it in my mouth because it's way hot, but it's very nice. Definitely give that one a try. And I'll probably make that again. So, enjoy.